Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Have you ever felt like you are stuck on a content hamster wheel? You spend hours every single day filming. You spend hours editing. You post on every social media platform imaginable. You are constantly racing against the algorithm. If you stop for even a day, you feel like your views will drop to zero. It feels like if you are out of sight, you are out of mind. I am here to tell you that I am not doing all that anymore. Today, we are going to dive deep into how to build a business and make money online without relying on social media. We are talking about building what I call a quiet income. This is a business model that focuses on search-based platforms rather than social media platforms. These are platforms that work for you over time. They allow you to create digital assets that get found by your people years after you hit publish. You do not have to show up every single day running on a treadmill. You can position yourself at the exact intersection where your audience is already looking for help. Think of it like a gas station in the middle of nowhere on a long highway. When someone is about to run out of gas, they are not going to pass that station. They are going to pull in because you met them right where they had a specific need. That is the power of search-based content. The first and most powerful platform for this is YouTube. Now, you might think of YouTube as social media, but it is actually a massive search engine. It is the second largest search engine in the world. People come here with a specific intent. They are looking for how to do things. They are looking for ideas. They are looking for solutions to their problems. This is why it is one of the best platforms for building an online business. The longevity of a YouTube video is incredible. I have videos from 5 years ago that are still bringing in views and leads today. This happens because YouTube prioritizes the relevance of the content over its age. If you make a video about a specific topic and there is not a lot of other inventory available, YouTube will show your video to the person searching for it, even if that video is many years old. You are meeting the viewer exactly where they are in their journey. This creates a long-term success cycle that social media just cannot match. On social media, a post might live for 24 or 48 hours. On YouTube, your video can live for a decade. Next, we have to talk about Google. While Google has seen a lot of changes recently with the rise of AI, it remains a cornerstone of the internet. Google and YouTube are like the Bonnie and Clyde of the digital world. They go hand in hand. Google owns YouTube, so they are constantly recommending each other. If you are building content on one, you should absolutely be thinking about the other. Google allows you to rank for specific keywords. When someone searches for a solution, your website or your video can appear right at the top. Recently, Google has updated their algorithm to include AI synopsis at the top of search results. This has changed how some people interact with search, but it has not killed search-based marketing. There are still millions of keywords that people search for every single day. I still have keywords that rank really well and drive traffic to my business. You just have to optimize your content to focus on providing value to humans. We often talk about SEO or search engine optimization, but we are moving toward a world of AI optimization, or AIO. This means making sure your content is clear, detailed, and authoritative so that search engines and AI models recognize you as the expert. Let us move on to a platform that is often slept on: Pinterest. Many people think Pinterest is just for looking at pretty pictures of home decor, but it is actually a powerful search-based platform. People go to Pinterest specifically to click out to other websites. They are looking for blogs. They are looking for products. They are looking for recipes. They are in a discovery mindset. If your audience includes women, you absolutely need to be on Pinterest. It is very woman-heavy in terms of demographics. It is perfect for niches like fashion, cooking, home decor, and DIY projects. When you post a pin, you are creating a digital breadcrumb that leads back to your business. Unlike a social media post that disappears, a pin can be repinned and discovered for years. It is about getting off the treadmill and letting your content work for you while you go out and experience life. You can go for a walk. You can enjoy the sun. You can spend time with your family, all while your Pinterest pins are driving traffic to your offers. Another incredible tool for search-based income is the Amazon Influencer Program. Amazon is the ultimate discovery platform. When people go to Amazon, they have their credit cards out and they are ready to buy. They are searching for specific products, like a new kettle or a pair of shoes. By creating product review videos on Amazon, you are placing yourself right at the point of purchase. You do not have to worry about engaging in a comment section or posting every day to keep an audience happy. You are simply providing a helpful review for someone who is already looking at that product. It is a search-based system where the intent is extremely high. This is a massive part of a quiet income business because it generates revenue based on what people are already searching for and buying in their everyday lives. Finally, we have the most reliable asset you can own, your email list. All of these search-based platforms, YouTube, Google, Pinterest, and Amazon, should all lead back to you. They are the traffic sources, but your email list is your home base. When you have someone on your email list, you have a direct line of communication that no algorithm can block. You can email your subscribers to tell them about a new video, a new product, or a special offer. This is how you turn search traffic into a sustainable business. You are not chasing people down. They are finding you through search, joining your list. And then you are building a relationship with them over time. I have been doing this for the last 7 years. It allows me to run a business for a very specific audience that wants a very specific outcome. It is about efficiency. It is about depth. It is about creating content once and letting it pay you for years. This is the essence of Tech Vibes. We focus on the systems that actually work so you can spend less time working and more time living. If you want to learn more about building this type of quiet income, stay tuned for the next deep dive.